going to be trying to bake a cake, me, Griffin, and my dad, with no knowledge at all. This is going to be hard, and we have no knowledge, zero, about baking cakes. And thanks to COVID, we can't go out and get one, so we're going to be baking a homemade cake with zero knowledge. So yeah, please don't laugh at me. Let's get to it. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to put one cake in here, a different cake in here, and then we're going to stack them on top of each other. So it's going to be one big quadruple stuffed cake. So yeah, let's get into it. Next, we got the oil, the water, the eggs, and the batter. So now we're just mixing it all together. Come look. We're mixing it all together until we get a nice thick blend. A thick blend. So yeah, we'll see you until the next step. And here, we got the batter. Ta-da! And now we're going to pour them evenly into each pan. Next, we'll take the other one. And then boom, we'll put her up in the oven. And we'll move on to the next step after we put them in the oven. We just took it out of the oven, and now it's time to ice. Yeah, it's gonna get messy. All right, guys, I hope it tastes better than it looks. Definitely. And then now we're gonna add the sprinkles. These are all the ones we're gonna be putting on. Star sprinkles, chocolate sprinkles, rainbow balls, like some red sprinkles, rainbow, and then some green ones. So we're gonna be adding a green one for some little sections you'll see. So wait, watch. So I'll put a little. There you go. I'm gonna put like a little section of some green sprinkles. I'm gonna put a little section of some rainbow. Come on, sprinkles. That's good. Then that looks yummy. A little bit of some red sprinkles. And like some little rainbow balls. They didn't really stick on as much. Then we got some chocolate sprinkles. We'll put that the rest of the round, hopefully.
Wow. Yummy.
And then for the topping, for like the last little bit, you can put some stars for the top.
Yeah! Happy birthday to Mama!
And happy birthday to our fabulous mom. So yeah, that's it. I hope it tastes better. Very much so. And yeah, watch out for a new Naruto video. It's gonna be another gaming video. So yeah, let's get into another video. Bye.